Hello, and my name is Ishan Patel, and I am one of the students here at 90th percentile, and I take coding lessons from my teacher, Mr. Ashish, and I do Python, and me and him have been making a really good code called an analog clock, and what an analog clock is, it is basically it's a clock face that has numbers 1 through 12, and it has 3 arrows: the minute hand, which is the longest, the hour hand, which is the shortest, and the second hand, which is red. So, and the steps to this code, where we have to set all the properties, draw the face of the clock, draw the 3 arrows, which is the minute hand, hour hand, and the second hand, and then we have to animate the arrows. And I really wanted to show you the code, so here it goes. So as you can see here, it has numbers 1 through 12, and as you can see here, it is animating. The second hand is animating, and when it goes all the way to 12, the minute hand will start moving. And yeah, I really like this code actually. It's one of my favorites. So thank you, and